Hello, 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 all. Welcome back to the stream. I hope you can see me. And today we are back with the application. Yesterday, I know we faced some issues while setting up the mobile application, and I found out that I didn't actually start the debugger option in the mobile. So now it is working. I've installed the application on the phone and as well as on the emulator. It's working. So let me show you that the emulator. Yeah. So this is it. I was able to connect the authentication flow and able to log in and get the details. And now it's time to integrate the API that I have created in the backend just to fetch the user details from the Google. So this is that we have to do. And after that, once we get that, once we authenticate the user successfully, we have to actually fetch a first order email from the inbox. So that's the task that we have for the today. Uh, Hello to everyone. Hello, Atharva sir. Hey, I'm trying to build SaaS Travelers OS with AI and APIs. Now the issue is I have used Lovable for the basic layout and architecture and VS Code agent for the course. Now I have zero knowledge about coding, so I can't change the codes by myself. How to integrate APIs and AI into this VS Code agent is not doing this by its own. Yeah, it will not do unless or until you know it. I would appreciate if you can help me out on this. Too much, too many things. So you are trying to integrate the APIs where there you are facing the issues. By now, how to integrate the APIs? So there is a app called Postman, so you install this application and first only fix your APIs. Don't even look at the front end, just call your APIs like this and try to see what JSON object, what response like this is it giving to you. And if those APIs are correct, then go to your mobile app wherever you have created and ask the any AI agent that you have used. Ask it ki how you have integrated this particular API. Okay, and fix one by one, one by one. You cannot fix a larger picture at once. You can fix a piece by piece. So do that. Ask every step to AI agent. AIs are like dumb fucks. Like they are smart, but at the same time they are dumb fucks. They don't know anything else. They will do whatever they want to do. So you have to be always in control of this. Let me share this stream on the Discord. Mm. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm here. Let me add this here. Yeah, bro. That's why I'm saying I'm always telling you. See, use AI. Tomorrow is holiday. You tell me, bro. Should I take holiday or should I continue coding? Uh, मैं किसको बता रहा था? What's your name? Suhas. So see, Suhas, always build the foundation by yourself. Like take the help of AI, but go file by file, function by function, step by step, so that once the foundation is clear, a roadmap, oh sorry, I'm saying roadmap, mind map of that particular architecture imprints on your brain. Okay, after that, making any changes is very easy. But I have seen people क्या कर रहे हैं, लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, AI कर दे रहा है तो उसको सब दे रहे हैं, वो बना के दे रहा है कुछ तो it's working, but then you don't know anything what it's doing. So that is very wrong approach. Go step by step, use your knowledge plus use the help of AI to fasten the process. Fasten नहीं, there is word in केमिस्ट्री में क्या वर्ड होता था, कोई भी प्रोसेस को फास्ट करने के लिए क्या क्या था वो वर्ड यार. So let me organize this. When I work, I really work like I work really messy. सब कुछ मेसी हो गया यार. Let me organize my desktop. So Docker is here. I want Docker. I want this here. This can be here, and this can be in the new tab. So this can come here. Okay, codex is here, and then what's here? Docker, bro. You can go at the end, and this is the backend application. Okay, so front this should be with the along with the front end. So here it should be. Okay, this is fine. Hey, Macha, don't change it, bro. Okay, and this is fine. Uh, yeah, codex, bro. I need you today. Yes, expedite. Yeah, expedite also. And यार केमिस्ट्री में क्या वर्ड होता है यार? uh, term in chemistry to expedite the reaction. Catalyst. Catalyst. Catalyst is the noun even though. Yeah, this is set up. Today was a good day. क्या क्या किया अथर्व? Why it was a good day? And guys, kindly like the stream. Let me mention this. Start a poll. I missed any message, I guess. Okay, let me pin this. Let me start the chart brain as well. Uh hey, is there new technologies we have to learn for advanced backend? New technologies, no. There will be always new technologies, bro. uh See, always focus on the foundations like basics. If you understand and if you can work on the basics, like तुम्हारे basics एकदम सही से हो जाएंगे, then कोई भी technology तो you can like literally create anything. Right now I don't know, for example, Python, but I know the basics. ठीक ठाक I can start using the Python and create the application. There's not an issue. For web application, is there any new technologies we have to learn for advanced backend for web application? No, for web application, you can learn, bro, Angular or React, whatever suits you. You can start with that. Angular is easier one to learn. You can start with that. Hey, this side, Rahul, my QS is that you think uh, you think nowadays UI UX career good option and some kind knowledge of front end developer do PCA tier 3 college. You need to have all the knowledge, bro. These days you cannot rely like you cannot be working only on the one side of the application. You will work on only one side of the application, but you should have the knowledge of all the things now. uh आजकल companies में nobody's seeing your profile like you are a backend developer or a front end developer. They are assigning tasks like they know AI is there. We have given you all the AI agents. Get this and give me the work. Update from Atharva. Worked on the project and did the 50th stream today. Congrats, bro. Also completed 50th day on lead code. That's great. I have documenting it from day one. Yeah, I know that you are documenting it. I need to check that also what you are doing. But you are doing great, bro. Keep it up. तुमने अभी मेरे को थोड़ा फोमो दे दिया है कि मैंने लीड कोड नहीं किया बहुत दिनों से. लीड कोड करना पड़ेगा यार. uh, just a second. Let me open this. Not this backend. Open. कहाँ गया अपना चैट ब्रेन? या चैट ब्रेन, न्यू विंडो. कर दे कर दे. हमने वही लगाया दिल जहां दिल. Thank you, Dada. Also started a new topic today, 2D arrays. That's great, bro. तुम्हारा मस्त चल रहा है भाई. बस don't leave it, bro. You just keep working and try to build the things. Don't let your curiosity die. Curiosity is important. So this is the API that I have. I'll explain you what I'm doing today. Okay, so give me a moment. With this, uh, I used AI to write this app tsx file, and this has made, see, it has written so bad code. Error message एक ही जगह पे सब फेल दिया है. So I have to fix this now. Check sign in status, what is calling set error message, and ओके तुमने करा है ना. नाइस. Catch error check in. So this I really don't use this kind of things, console logs and all. I have my own setup for this, standard ways of doing this, so I'll do that once I get the correct understanding of like basic POC is working. So set loading messages, and it should have integrated the API now. mm, Parse backend user. Okay, this Google Auth API, this is the API that I have created. You can see this 10.2.800 because it is a local host of my mobile phone, so I'm debugging it on my mobile phone as well. And for the emulator we need to have this, so this is okay. Google Auth API URL. Okay, कल एक important चीज पे आया, JavaScript will continue for a good time, 6 to 8 months. Yes, JavaScript is too big, bro. I have to create services. Okay, so we can create this UI, this continue button, and this. We can inject our own HTML template here and then come to this point directly. So we can do this today. These are multiple errors that Google gives us, so that is what we have done. And handle backend retry. Okay, this is a shit code. We'll correct this. We'll not push this to GitHub. As it is, see, it has added styles and all into one file directly. So at least do me this. मेरे पास एक बहुत तगड़ा सवाल है, उसका जवाब आप ही दे सकते हैं रिलेटेड टू बुक्स. यही सब जो आप आर्किटेक्चर पे आ रहे हैं, देन और कुछ चीज़ें मुझे एक बुक लेनी थी. ओके, क्या पढ़ने के लिए, व्हाट एग्जैक्टली डू यू वांट टू लर्न, देन आई कैन सजेस्ट यू द बुक. Packages. So this is okay. After signing in we are getting these things, verified user. So uh, we actually need to create a component out of this. So API has been integrated. uh, Now I'm thinking, yeah, I'll tell you what I have done till now. So is it okay if I erase this part? Let me erase this part. Okay, I'll show you guys. Let me erase this. Okay, that's disconnected. What are you saying? जैसे एक प्रोडक्ट बनता है या कोई एप्लीकेशन कहाँ से, जैसे एक प्रोडक्ट बनता है या कोई एप्लीकेशन कहाँ से लाइक आर्किटेक्चर प्लान होता है, डिटेल्स क्या होंगी इंक्लूडिंग बेसिक फीचर्स और चीज़ें, लॉजिक कैसे काम करेगा, सेटिंग्स बटन्स कहाँ पे होना चाहिए और चीज़ें जो प्रोडक्ट या इट्स अ वेरी बिग क्वेश्चन ब्रो, मतलब इतना इजीली नहीं होता. इट स्टार्ट्स विद द एलएलडी. गूगल एलएलडी, व्हाट इज एलएलडी? अबे क्या हो गया इसको? सो यू हैव टू स्टार्ट विद द एलएलडी, लो लेवल डिज़ाइन, देन एचएलडी, हाई लेवल डिज़ाइन. सो बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती है, मैं तुम्हें बताता हूँ एक एक. Okay, so we have done actually this part now on the mobile front. This part, authentication and login. So Google authentication JSON is going talking to the backend, and the ID is been sent to the backend, the token, and then this part we have to do now. So this is current to do now. So I'll show you this same on the this side. This is the API on the Postman side. So this is the API that I have built in the backend. So let me show you the backend. So this is backend. Postman should come here. Okay, so this is backend, and in the backend you can see this auth controller. And this is a very simple API that I have created. Response entity validate all the Google login request, and then return response entity auth dot login with Google. So login with Google. Uh, in this auth service, there auth service, this is a method that I'm calling over here. Okay, if the string has text, if does not have a id token, just a simple token that I'm trying to pass over here. I'll not show you my complete token, but this is it. So this is what I'm trying to pass, and if the token is present, then we will verify that particular token using Google token verifier. Deva. So if you go to this verify method, sorry, then this is like Google token verification. So the same thing that we wrote in, remember the days when we wrote it in using JWT token. So we created our own verifier, like verify JWT token, and then verify and check the validity, check the expiry, check the audience, everything. So this is what this Google method is. This time we don't have to write all those methods. Google is providing that. This is the advantage of using a third-party authentication. So we don't have to do each and everything now. So verified token, if not invalid Google, I'll replace this with my own uh, my own, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, ग्लोबल एरर हैंडलिंग. somebody wrote catalyst, I saw एकदम से. Catalyst, yes. uh, जो प्रोडक्ट है उसमें हो, कल एक बंदा ने बुक सजेस्ट करी थी, सोचा था इसमें ज़्यादा काम आएगी, बताओ कौन सा बुक। इतना कोड देख के खुद पे डाउट आ रहा है मुझे। डाउट नहीं करने का दोस्त, आजकल कोड कोई भी लिख सकता है। Anybody can write code today, Aditya bhai. So you can learn one thing from me, the process that I'm following here. You might have seen I make mistakes as well, but I correct it immediately. So AI is helping out for sure. नहीं तो इतने जल्दी जल्दी इतने प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाना इम्पॉसिबल है, बट कोड कोई भी लिख सकता है, ये याद रखो अभी। यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड कहाँ पे क्या लिखना है और कहाँ पे क्या चाहिए। ठीक है। देन कैच जनरेट गूगल आईडी टोकन। सो इसने थोड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेट कर दिया है। दिस इज कोड रिटन बाय एआई, मैं इतना कॉम्प्लिकेट करके नहीं लिखता हूँ, वी विल सिंप्लीफाई दिस। ओके, so this is the controller that you should be uh, watching to. Now the second thing is, I have ChatGPT is in plan. Okay, पे यार ये नोशन क्यों खुल जाता है बार बार, इसकी माँ का। क्वेश्चन सही नहीं है क्या? नहीं नहीं सही है यार, तुमने पूछा। Basically you are asking about the complete life cycle development of the application, how to start, how to do this, how to do that. So there are many things, but the first thing that you should start with, like I start with, is like from the database design. So once I get the complete understanding of what kind of application I have to build, the first thing I go is go and design my own database. Like you have seen this, I have created the tables. कौन से tables होंगे, क्या क्या relationship होगा वो. I'm also front end developer, so I keep a wireframe, a basic wireframe. This UI will change drastically as we go forward, but I always need to have a starting point. So this is called a UX. यही tables. Yeah, so उसके लिए you have to like go deep into MySQL, MySQL database, any DB. So you need to learn databases first. uh, क्या कर रहा था यार, मैं बात करते करते भूल जा रहा हूँ बहुत बार. I was here, yes. So mobile to backend, yeah, mobile to backend connection has been established. Now we have to actually fetch the order emails. Now fetch nahi search. So this part, and about this part now. React Native and React is almost same. So I can clearly work on this, it seems. So type backend user. Let me go and create the folder. So let me name it as commons, and in this one let me create another folder called for types. So in this types, let me create a file called backend user .ts. Okay, so let me get this type backend user to here, and where is backend user? So this backend user, There is one problem that I see in this one. I don't see errors live. ये रन करने का तरीका क्या था यार? I forgot how to run this application. uh, npm start will not work. How to rebuild and run this app? Give me the command. I actually forgot the command. Parv, hello sir जी, how are you? इन चीज़ों को क्या बोलते हैं, लाइक किस टॉपिक के अंडर फॉल करती है? लाइक मैं तो अभी फ्रंट एंड में हूँ, उसमें भी तो होता है आर्किटेक्चर, राइट? हाँ, फ्रंट एंड में आर्किटेक्चर इज नॉट अ वेरी डेप्थफुल कंसेप्ट. फ्रंट एंड आर्किटेक्चर इज लाइक वेरी basic surface level. You don't have to actually do this on the in the front end side. You just have to think about uh, how you will consume the APIs, like where you will have to write the APIs. उनके types कहाँ पे होंगे, interfaces you have to mark all the interfaces, like request is interfaces, response interfaces, and all those things. So don't worry about that much things if you are only on the front end side right now. So get the knowledge of front end, and then you can think about the back end. The core architecture thing comes into picture when you build the backend. So it is, backend is not just the backend application. Backend is setting up your database, setting up your resource groups, AWS जहाँ पे भी तुम्हें files वगैरह रखनी है, wherever you want to host. You also have to set up the pipelines, YML pipelines, like your DevOps part. So everything comes under the backend. So backend is a very vast topic. So if you are into front end right now, stay in the front end. Don't worry about all those things. It will clarify it. You will get the clarifications once you move ahead. What is module hub? यार ये इसका नाम चेंज हो गया यार. Uh, okay, it's reloading. Now you are in the early stage. Now you are in the early stage. I'll give you a clear answer. It's you, that's why I'll give you a very clear answer. See, there are stages of you of learning. Uh, you are at this level, the initial level. So we will call it as beginner level. So after that you go to like next level. Okay, then there is next, and then there is one more level. So in this levels, the question that you are asking is here, like level maybe consider architect or senior dev. Senior dev, their job is to like think about architecture. Okay, people before that are like mid-level developers. So their job, so build architectures. Their job is to maintain architecture plus maintain good code qualities, good code. Okay, and then here comes the associates. एसोसिएट्स लेवल्स। सो इनका काम होता है जस्ट गेट गुड एट राइटिंग कोड, राइटिंग कोड, ठीक है। एंड यू आर इन दिस कैटेगरी बिगिनर, यू हैव टू नो ऑल द parts of software engineering. So in this one you have to like know about front end, back end, excel in one technology, एक टेक कोई एक टेक्नोलॉजी, इसमें भी फ्रंट एंड में एक कोई टेक्नोलॉजी। देन यू आल्सो हैव टू नो डीबी, डेटाबेस, नेटवर्किंग, ठीक है, लिटिल बिट ऑफ सिस्टम डिज़ाइन, हाउ एक्चुअली दिस वर्क्स, ओके। और भी जो कुछ चीज़ें होती है बेसिक, बेसिक डेवॉप्स वगैरह। सो यू शुड नो लाइक बेसिक ऑफ all these things, basic. You have to be intermediate in this one, database. You have to be good at uh, of front end technology and the back end technology. So your focus should be on this. The question that you are asking are good, but those lies and the very higher level, okay. So I'm into this level now, mid to architect. So I'm like practicing these parts more, like building the architecture, fixing the architecture, DevOps part, all those things, okay. So I hope you got the idea. वैसे मुझे वो पता चला एस पी ए सिंगल पेज, यस दैट्स व्हाट यू हैव टू नो नाउ। उसके हिसाब से क्रिएट कर रहा हूँ वेब फ्रॉम स्क्रैचेस। सिंगल पेज एप्लीकेशन इज द ओनली thing that you should know about the front ends, and that will give you a much more idea. uh Not iClips. Hello sir, what's up bro? Today brother we have I fixed the problems, and we are able to connect this and get the information. So this part is working now, and I have developed the backend API as well to authenticate this through the mobile app. So that has been done, and now I'm thinking about the next part now. So this is the response that I'm sending to the front end, which is the mobile, and mobile is showing the same response over here. Okay, so this is the subject, this is the picture URL. Picture URL is, I don't have any profile picture, that's why it's not showing anything, but it will show. क्या ही explanation है चुम्बेश्वरी? Just because you asked it, I have given that much of time in explaining. It will give you a clarity कि तुम्हें क्या सीखना है और क्या नहीं. Okay, now I'm thinking about two different things. Should I fix the code written by AI first, or should I write the email part now? Like fetch the email, write that API, fetch the email, and get that part working. Then I'll have a bigger chunk of code to fix. नाइस, एक बात बता दो पहले बस, जावा बैकएंड में कितना एक्सपेक्टेशंस होता है फ्रॉम अ फ्रेशर? See, मैंने I give interview as a Java fresher. So in that one I created a customer relationship manager. So that was very basic project, you know, मेरे GitHub पे वो होगा अभी भी. So at that time, building that project from a scratch was like really good. That was expectation. एंड और क्या पता होना चाहिए, यू शुड नो बेसिक कंसेप्ट. सी बेसिक्स में तुम कभी गलती नहीं कर सकते एज अ फ्रेशर. ऊप्स कंसेप्ट, सिंपल डिज़ाइन पैटर्न्स, देन एनी आउटपुट वाले क्वेश्चंस, विच एवर द टेक्नोलॉजी, फॉर एग्जांपल जावा. सो इफ इंटरव्यूअर आस्क यू अबाउट व्हाट्स द आउटपुट ऑफ दिस कोड, so you should be able to answer that. You should be able to answer each and every question within your project that you have showcased in on your resume. So you should be good at explaining that. That means you have built that project from scratch by yourself and not a copied one. I know you are copying the project, but get the hands dirty and get the understanding, because the person who is going to ask you question has been working in that industry at least for 7 to 8 years, not less than that. So if you think that you can fool him, then good luck to you. If not, then build a project by yourself. It's not very difficult building a project by yourself these days. uh, should I DM you my resume? Yes, yes, you can always DM the resumes on the LinkedIn. Okay, so chat brain is not working or what? Application failed to restart. अरे यार इसकी माँ का, because I have something uh, running over here. Just a second. Let me fix this. Mm, let me change the port from 8080 to 80. There is another application. I have three applications which run simultaneously when I'm streaming. So let me quickly search. Where is 8080? Yeah, server port 8080, and this should be. So let me restart this. Oh, okay, it's already is in use. और कौन सा पोर्ट होता है बैकएंड? डू यू गाइस नो ऑन विच पोर्ट्स वी कैन रन द एप्लीकेशन? Maybe 4200 is for my front end that I'm using. Sent it to you. Just don't do it on live. Acha, just do it on live. Okay, I'll open your resume on live stream. Just a second. No, no, don't show it on screen. नंबर है मेरा, आप चेक कर लो. Ghost Gaming. Hello, Ghost Gaming. Is my chat brain working? क्या हुई? Bro, have you ever told your name? Uh, yeah, it started. So if my chat brain has your name, it will tell Kaustubh Shukla. Hello, Kaustubh Shukla. Hello, bro. How are you? I'm good. FPS highlights. How are you, Macha? Okay, this part I have fixed. Let me first do fixing in this part only. So, okay, it is already connected to here. I don't have to import this. Uh, export and then import. Okay. This part. So keep this. So let me go and create a auth folder. So auth, and in this auth one, let me create an auth service. So auth, this is JavaScript, a small auth service. It uses camel case auth service.ts. I hope I remember the React doing the changes. So this part, web plant and all, it should go to auth service. Okay, and then get error message, get parse where this has been used. So return parse body. Okay. Hmm. So this should go in this auth service first and foremost, and then request body. It's sorry, response body and backend user. Let me import the backend user over here. Okay, and then response body. Uh, so this is part of this auth service. Okay, and is record. This should come here. Is record. Okay, this is okay, and then let me export this. Export const authenticated with backend, and let's use this method. Import this method over here. Add import. Okay, this empty space we don't need. uh, App. Okay, from here it actually should start web client ID. So web client ID, it should not be part of this. So web client ID should be part of mm, web client ID. So it is a const. So let me go to commons and add a file, not here, in the here. यहाँ पे let me add constants.ts. So in this one, let me paste this over here, and it should be of always type export, and it should like this. And here let me go and import this. So yeah, how many lines of code it is now? Still 500, so it's still not maintainable. Did I miss the messages? Yeah, let me come back to messages. Hey, you are free to talk a little bit. I have something to show you. Yeah, sure, sure. Show me what you want to show. Today is 1st of August. कुछ याद आया? क्या था भाई 1st of August को? रिव्यू, अरे मैं स्ट्रीम के बाद रिव्यू करता हूँ ब्रो. कौस्तुभ ब्रो, आई हैव अ सिस्टम. जब भी स्ट्रीम खत्म होता है यू विल गेट ऑल द रिप्लाई जो जो तुम्हें चाहिए ना, लिंक्डइन या इंस्टा पे जो भी तुमने भेजा या डिस्कॉर्ड पे. आई रिव्यू ऑल दोज थिंग्स. स्ट्रीम पे मैं थोड़ी अभी रिव्यू करूँगा, डिटेल में रिव्यू करके मैं बताऊँगा तुम्हें. जामी फ्राई ब्रदर, यू हियर? जामीफाई, अभी कंटेक्स्ट नहीं दिखा. लिंक या कोड स्निपेट. लॉल, यू नो मी. वर्जन 0. ओके भाई, मेरे को लगा हॉस्पिटल से स्ट्रीम कर रहे हो. ऐसा क्यों लगा भाई? हॉस्पिटल से स्ट्रीम कर रहा हूँ, व्हाट द फक. आर यू द यूजर ऑफ जामीफाई? आई एम नॉट. घोस्ट गेमिंग. Bro, you came yesterday on my stream, remember? Oh, acha, I don't remember. I was going to connect with this guy जिसकी stream पे है हम लोग. ओके ओके ओके. थोड़ा जूम कर दो भाई. क्या जूम करूं? Chill scene. I really like this language. Bro, you came yesterday वर्जन 0. याद आया, हम लोग लीगल चीज़ें डिस्कस कर रहे थे. अरे वो कपड़ा ना वैसे ही. अबे ये शर्ट पता है मैंने इस पे कुछ तो सोप आता है, रीन वाला है समथिंग, मैंने उस पर डाल दिया, इसका कलर ही चेंज हो गया. नाउ बिकॉज ऑफ दिस येलो लाइट इट्स सीइंग समथिंग डिफरेंट. Can you review my project Jamify? It's a free music streaming app that I built in Next.js. Right now 5,000 plus users are using. Oh, that's great, yaar. Got 4 point star rating from 100 plus countries. Oh shit. Let's see this. This looks something interesting. यार कोई मैकबुक का ओएस फिक्स कर दो यार, ये यूआई इतना चूतिया यूआई है, एक एक चीज ढूंढना पड़ता है इसमें. Jamify. Nice, sir. Is it on the क्या बोलते हैं? Is it on the hey you hosted on Vercel? Anything on Vercel? I just don't believe in that. Mm, download free. Hey, it downloaded APK. It downloaded APK on my Mac OS. It didn't even ask. I can't install APK while it's for Android phone. Hey, we can we can do one thing. We have a emulator open na. So let me install this. Download free app. Download anyway. We can install it in here. Open. Uh, Install Jamify. Hey, why it's showing this unsafe app blocked? This app was built for an older version of Android and doesn't include the latest privacy. I'm still installing it. अरे मालवेयर हुआ तो ये इम्यूलेटर के अंदर है ना भाई. Bro, I'm not sure why it gave me a warning. Did I fail for the trap? उसमें ना तुम वो लिनक्स बूट कर दो. ये चिप नहीं करने देता यार. ARM chipset doesn't allow this. Can you review my project? And also available उसमें ना तुम वो लिनक्स में कुछ pro you did you fail for that trap? But it's safe. Check the rating. What are you building? Just discovered your channel, bro. I'm building Orders Sub app. So this is the app that I'm building. Let me show you the UI that I have. It is just to combine, like take all the orders that I place on different websites, not just Amazon, Flipkart, but Instagram shopping and all. So bring it under the one umbrella and track all of those. So that is what it is. Uh, KR1SH05. Tell me your name. बादल इज हियर भैया. मेरा 4 अगस्त को जस्ट पे PSC रोल के लिए राउंड 2 लर्नाथॉन है. अभी तो मैं SQL कर रहा हूँ, बेसिक टू एडवांस. तो कुछ एडवाइस दो, क्वेरीज लिख लिख के थक गया. Don't write the queries. You can practice it on HackerRank, bro. HackerRank has a really good. You need to know the क्या बोलते हैं उसको. You need to practice the join queries and all. That has been asked if that is what it says. हैकेथॉन पे, हैकेथॉन बोल रहा, हैकर रैंक पे है भाई. अगर कोई मालवेयर हुआ तो मैंने कल रिव्यू करा था, भाई ने तगड़ी चीज़ बनाई है, बस इलीगल इलीगल है. अच्छा 5000 म्यूजिक. ओके ओके. जस्ट लाइक हाउ स्पॉटिफाई स्टार्टेड, इट वाज इलीगल व्हेन स्पॉटिफाई स्टार्टेड, बट देन इट बिकेम इलीगल. मैंने लॉगिन नहीं किया है उसमें अभी तक. आई डोंट थिंक सो. ऐसा बहुत ऐप्स में आता है. या इट्स 100% सेफ है सेइंग. One of the best feature that I added to the Jamify is you can import your playlist from Apple Music, YouTube Music, and Spotify. Okay, this is risky, bro. Uh, I can check this off stream now. Okay, I saw two, three red flags. You are saying it's safe, which is nice, but right now there are so many things at stake. Thanks, Bhaiya. Thanks, Q. Bro, the warning came because I don't have the Play Store key ID. That is why. Yeah, yeah. You have to come. You don't have that ID because you are not complying with the Google Play Store policies. That's the reason. Bro is gonna get. Yeah, fair. It you have to like if you know the Spotify story, it was also the same. Fair switching to read only mode for. Yeah, केस ठोक दिया पूरा घर जाएगा. हाँ, म्यूजिक इंडस्ट्री भाई वो बहुत गंदे तरीके से चलती है. यू हैव टू बी लाइक रियली केयरफुल अबाउट दिस शिट. दिस आर्टिस्ट एंड ऑल दे विल ईट यू अगर तुम उनको पता चला यू आर मेकिंग द पायरेसी लीगल. YouTube also like anything you upload, if you use any bit of music uh, on YouTube, even on the stream, that's why मैं ये ईयरपीस पहन के गाना सुनता हूँ. यहाँ पे नहीं सुनता गाना क्योंकि उस पर कंटेंट आईडी इंजेक्ट करता है यूट्यूब एंड वो कंटेंट आईडी कहीं से भी डिटेक्ट हो जाता है. सो इफ यू आर लाइक if you are like recording yourself doing something wrong, then play some music in the background, specifically T series का music, ताकि anybody gets that video and uploads it somewhere, it automatically gets blocked, so your bad deeds would not be shown to anyone. फिलहाल के लिए अनइंस्टॉल करता हूँ, सॉरी बट आई इंस्टॉल इट लेटर. आज का दिन डिसाइड हुआ था लीड कोड प्रोफाइल रिवील करने के लिए. आज करा जाए या नेक्स्ट मंथ? आज कर दो भाई, बता दो. भाई यूट्यूब यूट्यूब में एक गाना डाल दो, चैनल सस्पेंड सस्पेंड हो जाता है. यस. ग्रीटिंग्स पीपल. हेलो यश मिश्रा, हाउ आर यू मचा, हाउ आर यू ब्रो? You should you kept it as a web app instead of mobile app. Yeah, web app is like uh, good. I hope you are doing well. Yes, sir. Confirmed. Try mode add karo. That is why I didn't buy the domain. And by the way, I built Jamify as a side project for myself and my college friends. Never expected to it to grow, but I think you don't know that there are 100 plus music. But yeah, there are so many. There are so many, bro. Okay, this much segregation is enough. for now. Rest I'll do later. ठीक है. Why there is some error? Node models, React Native, Gradle plugin. There is something. Okay, I don't care about that. Uh, Now let me ask ChatGPT what should I build next. Yes, one more important distinction. Google login is connected. Gmail access is not yet guaranteed. Now do the flow. Mobile request Gmail read only permission gets server auth code. Send server auth code to Spring Boot. Backend exchange it for Gmail access plus refresh token. Backend calls Gmail. So use this Gmail scope in the React Native. So I have the scopes now. Google services JSON, and in this one I need to add the scope web client. Where did I add the scopes? In which file do we have the scopes marked? I'm not only on lead code by I'm not just only in lead code by the way, और भी प्लेटफॉर्म पे हो. माइनक्राफ्ट कभी खेला है भाऊ? नहीं सर, माइनक्राफ्ट नहीं खेला है मैंने. Hmm, we need to have this as scope. Okay, meanwhile, let me commit these files. Feature integrated the first API here. Let me push this. It's not asked me for the paraphrase. Is it not going in the right repo? यार ये कल कुछ तो गड़बड़ हुई और यहाँ पे सब कुछ ही हिल गया क्या? Okay, it's not asking me for the. It's weird. Okay, this scope has to be added here. Use effect offline. Web client and the scope read only. Then uh, then send the server auth code to this. So I have to use this in the backend now. Ask this in the backend. So let me push this to. This is too much of code. Let me generate a detailed. Give me commit message. I wrote this file by myself, if you are wondering. These files, Docker and all. Now I'm expert in all those files. ये बोर कर रहा है चैट प्रिंट ना, इसको पॉज देते थोड़ा. माइनक्राफ्ट नहीं खेला है भाई. हम उस जनरेशन से कि जहाँ रोक रोक के कंप्यूटर मिला 10 साल बाद. माइनक्राफ्ट वगैरह नहीं. हाउ टू गेट जॉब आफ्टर स्प्रिंग बूट. ओ भाई, माइनक्राफ्ट भी स्प्रिंग फ्रेमवर्क पे बना है. ओ आई डिडंट नो दिस. हाउ टू गेट जॉब आफ्टर स्प्रिंग बूट. आई डोंट नो ब्रो. Really, I don't know. You just have to apply. So commit and git push, git push. प्यार की गलियां. So let me close all these files now. Close all tabs and let me open the auth controller. And in this one, response entity, request body, Google login request. So this, it has only one thing now, string ID token. So I need to, this is a record, I need to have one more thing, which is this server auth code. So it will be of type string now. So again, type string server auth code, and then it should be like at the rate not blank, and message also. uh, okay, so these two things, we need to have take it from the mobile application. I have a question, if you are up for it. Yeah, I am always up for a question. सर्व का वो देखना रह गया, लीड कोड. Lead code slash. First let's go to lead code, go to the profile, and Atharva. It's working slow, so let me paste Atharva. Yeah, hit the question, bro. 82 questions, bro. Shit. That's really nice, yeah. Fizzbuzz. Let's see how you are solving the questions. ये नेट क्यों नहीं चल रहा यार? अच्छा, you are using C plus plus. अच्छा, Fizzbuzz. Print once fizz, once buzz, and once fizz, once buzz. Yeah, vector you are using. You are a vector. You have become a vector guy now. Nice. Mega Fizzbuzz use salt 2 times. Like you have revised it seems. Yeah, nice. Nice, bro. GG. I'm following you. C++ JavaScript. Good job, bro. Hey, somebody took my like back. Don't fucking do these things now. After storing the refresh token, your backend can run from Amazon to this. यार ये बहुत बड़ा task है, yeah. I'm taking it in very light mode, but it's really big task. So auth code is added. Let me give this front end task to AI at least, na? So we need to send server auth code to the same API now, along with existing token field. So let it add that. How do one create contacts in programming IT as an introvert person? Maybe LinkedIn is a good option. LinkedIn पे you can connect with different people. इंट्रोवर्ट तो सारे ही हैं, हम भी इंट्रोवर्ट ही है. So that comes to this point. Guys, follow me on LinkedIn as well, or text me on LinkedIn as well. Like the stream यारो. Yes, bhai is putting unthinkable effort. अगले वीक कॉलेज का डे 1 है. दैट्स नाइस. डे 1 पे तुम्हारे 100 क्वेश्चंस हो गए. कैसा फील होगा तुम्हें? यू वुड फील टॉप ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. It has made the changes. Server auth code, yeah. String and null. It can't be null. बहुत ही घटिया तरीका है ये एपीआई करने का. Server auth code, okay. So we have to use the server auth code as well in the controller. Auth controller में this verify the token. Let me first just see this. Recompile this. Let me do docker compose down. Now I have containerized this application because there was a problem. I have to maintain database and everything separately, but to avoid all those things, and the core issue was React Native uses Java 17 and the Spring Boot uses Java 21, and it was conflicting. मेरे को बार बार जाके home page Java home variable I have to change again and again. That's why I dockerize the backend application so that the Docker is running Java 21. I can show you that. See this Docker file that I wrote. So it is using Eclipse Java 21 JDK. Okay, and that is how we are using the Java 21 for the backend. And now I'm building it. Docker compose up -d -build. Let's build this. Remove orphans as well. There was one orphan, I was correct. Okay, now let's move back to the front-end application. It has added, so I have to just reload reload this. Google sign in. Let me sign out, sign in again, sign in with this. Yeah, it did send. Let me check the logs in the Docker hub backend execute. How to get logs? Dispatcher completed 5 millisecond. Order sub, it started. Did it use Tomcat started, but it did not add that. Weird. Let me give this to daddy now. Check if I'm now sending and fetching server auth code in the app correctly, because I need to verify this step. अगली वीक कॉलेज. आजकल का थंबनेल काफ़ी सॉलिड है वैसे. थैंक यू सो मच अथर्व. Is there any further scope in the Flutter developing? Yes. Flutter is very popular though still, bro. People still uses mobile phone, people still uses applications, mobile apps, and their lives are dependent on many apps. So why not, bro? They are not stopping using application all of a sudden now. Guys, please do like the stream, man. I forgot to tell you, remind you to like the stream. Kindly like the stream, yeah. So is it checking? We need to progress a little bit now. Server code, once it come to backend, so now I guess server code coming to backend now is being sent to the backend now. What's next? The architecture of computer hardware system software and networking, IRV, Englander. In Englander, who is this? Homelander का भाई? ये book थी. Oh, okay, okay. I dropped Flutter for data analyst, build 2 3 mini projects though. Okay. Yeah, you can always do switching in between the technologies, bro. Unless or until you could find a good flow of work, keep doing that. No issue in that. So server auth code. Uh, bro, now I'm confused in this one. Give me prompt for this API to build from Codex. I'm using Codex. Query max result 10. ये लॉजिक गड़बड़ है. This logic is गड़बड़. But I have to just test and verify this. At least it's connecting to. At least it should connect to the Gmail account now, यार. बहुत हो गया इसका. What's best to build a logic? Lead code, bro. Lead code is the best to build the logic. 1 मिनट बुक ही अलग चीज पे. जनरल कंसेप्ट्स की है, बंदे ने बताया. अच्छा अच्छा. Guys, kindly like the stream, yaar. Do like the stream, guys. We have like created, established the mobile application now, and I'm just testing one thing. That's why I'm using AI over here. uh, there are, I'm actually fetching the, I'll show you. I'm actually logging using the mobile application using my Gmail account, and with that Gmail account, I'm sending the auth token as well as server code to the backend. Now backend has to sync up with the inbox. So that inbox, from that inbox, I have to look out for the specific emails which contains any kind of orders. So if I can pull those orders, then this is the goal. Like, I'm done. If I'm able to fetch all the emails with the orders mentioned in that, I'm done. Why don't you use Firebase for Google Authenticate? इतना नहीं चाहिए ना मेरे को. I'm using simple Google console, cloud console, because my goal is to scale it later. I use my own tech stack, bro. I have my own Docker containers and all. Firebase ये कर देता है, उसको लिमिट कर देता है. Firebase limits us to use their own specific things. वही, people are not liking the stream because they are not able to understand what I'm trying to do over here. I'll show you guys what I'm trying to do over here. So on the day one, I actually started with this UI. This UI, you can see this is my simple orders app that I wanted to build since many days. I was facing this problem over a year now, and in that one I had to like look out for different orders from different sites, different emails at different places, and then many a times it misses out, you know. Sometimes I have to return some stuff, sometimes I have to check, like exchange some items, or OTP, at least get the OTP. सारी चीज़ें मिस हो जाती थी because these are very small websites from where I'm doing the shopping. So that's why I'm building this application where I'll bring all those mini orders in under one place under the hood, and I can maintain those orders at one place. So this is what I'm building. It will show me the current delivery status as well, where it is right now. Do I can I go to office today, or is my parcel is coming today? So I can plan my visit, and then on the next day I sketched this database design that I wanted. So I figured out what are the core tables that I want to use. So these are the core tables: users, connected accounts. I'm giving an option to user to connect multiple email accounts, because people don't have only one account to order the stuff. People use multiple accounts, so it should sync multiple accounts. And then there is like orders table. From all the data from this Gmail, I'm converting that to an orders table, and it is a supplementary table like orders items, because one order may contain many order items. That's why this table is required, and that is what complete set of things that we need for this application. So that is what I'm trying to build over here. So I hope you guys understood what I'm trying to do over here. Mm. Now I can see our backend ka thing has been going very good. Backend ka code AI is able to write very well because we have written so many things, and it knows what pattern do I use, but still it makes mistakes. So yeah, Google ID secure config, security config, form, order sub. What did we change? Configuration, properties, scan. Okay, JWT service. Yeah, this JWT service हमने पहले भी बनाई है scratch से. Now I'm writing like this. Google Auth token verifier. I've written this earlier. Now it's using Google Auth client ID. Mm, this connected account now has this. I have to make a real progress today. I'll not stop till then. Wait, मैं पानी लेके आया. Just wait. If I'm gonna get this kind of response on Saturdays, then I'll probably will not stream on Saturdays. Cheers. Meanwhile, let me push these things. Added server auth code. Send. भंडारे का प्रसाद अभी खा के आया। रिलेटिव्स ने ऑर्गेनाइज करा था, मैं नहीं गया था। अच्छा। द अनडिस्प्यूटेड देखना है, काफी महीनों से पेंडिंग है। अनडिस्प्यूटेड क्या है? व्हाट इज अनडिस्प्यूटेड? सो आई एम फिगरिंग आउट कि राइटिंग बोथ साइड का कोड becomes too much, and that's why I'm using AI too much. I should not do this. I can delete this controller. Gmail client API, Gmail controller, this controller. Yeah, I'll fix the code. Don't worry. Once it is written, fix it. मूवीज 4-5 पार्ट है शायद, मस्त फाइट क्लब टाइप। ओके, फाइट क्लब भी देख के सब बना हो गया। नाउ आई डोंट रिमेम्बर। Should I build the UI now? Let me give this man the UI. Yeah, I can do this part at least. At least AI can do this for me. Mhm, mhm. Okay, so I have to give daddy the login images, splash screen. So let's give it the splash screen, then not this, not this. बातें कुछ uh, meanwhile, can you build these screens for me, and also make sure to follow the best code practices and consider you are a senior front-end developer who has 15 years of React Native experience. So create multiple small usable component architecture, and also segregate the code and services properly. Okay, let it build these three screens. Still, meanwhile, we can focus on the backend. Okay. आज नहीं आएंगे भाई, पता नहीं आज क्या सीन है. If that is so, I can just end the stream and have fun. Guys, kindly like the stream, Auth controller. Let me start the music because you guys are not entertaining. At least I should entertain myself. Okay. आईचा खो आईचा खो येडा झाला का रे नो 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 पैसा हुआ है ये आईचा खो आईचा खो Hi, I joined your live stream just now. Are you building this system by integrating server only or AI backend server as well? No, no, no. I don't have AI in picture right now. I just have a simple plain backend and React Native mobile application. I'm just trying to get my MVP one ready because once I get the MVP one ready, I'll get to know that this kind of thing is possible, or maybe what kind of issues that I have to go through it now. So once that is done, in the next MVP, subsequent MVPs, I can think about all those things what you are trying to say here. Base key. Backend is not backend. I haven't started. Docker PS. Restarting 17 seconds ago. It did not restart. Docker compose up -d. Uh, yeah, it started. Is it like localhost still? Mm. Sorry, miss the text. जो 2 दिन पहले शेयर करा था. Which framework you are using? I can see Java code there in the code base. Yes, yes, yes. I'm using Java Spring Boot for the backend. because my complete goal of this doing streams learning in public is to learn Java and get excellent in the Java. So that was the whole point. I built 3 4 applications in Java, and now I'm using leveraging AI to simplify the process. And front end is in the React Native. Database is in MySQL. You guys can hear me, right? Yeah. उस पे कुछ चेंजेस करने हैं वर्जन 0.2 कंप्लीट करा है आज लेआउट एडजस्ट थीम एंड सेटिंग्स पैनल आपको मेरे प्रोजेक्ट का यूआई याद है यस आई रिमेंबर इट you need to work on that this that is good but keep working on one part of that great bro keep it up thank you so much sir thank you so much Gaurav Singh Kashyap 45 seems you seems like a Rohit Sharma fan kindly do like the stream guys यमुनेचे पाणी पाजा जयम राष्ट्र माझा where give me complete URL to paste in the postman we are using Docker now. Yeah, please do share. Do share again. I'll look at it. क्या करोगे भाई इतना सीख के सबसे बेस्ट क्वेश्चन पूछा है अब तक का भाई इसने ब्रो मेरे गांड में एक बहुत बड़ा कीड़ा है भाई वो शांत ही नहीं होता जब तक मैं कुछ सीखता नहीं नया कुछ भी बकचोदी सीखता रहता हूँ मैं दैट इज व्हाट आई एम ब्रो भाई आर यू बिल्डिंग शैश शैश मैंने कहीं लिखा है कि आई एम बिल्डिंग शैश ब्रो Yeah, cool. Yeah, I'm building Shash, bro. What are you making though? Yeah, I'll tell you. Let me start the chat brain so that it can interact with you guys when I'm not interacting with you. Bimana Chile. So I'm trying to build a order sub app over here. Let me show you the UI. Yeah, I can show you UI from here as well. So this is what I'm trying to build. I have a I have a illness to order from different sites like I do Instagram shopping and I want all of my orders to get combined at one place and I can see all the orders under the single hood. I should know which order is in transit, which order is coming to me, which order I have to mark to return. This application should take care of each and everything. I don't have to remember one small website that I ordered 15 days ago from Instagram because I just liked one particular reel. So this app should take care all of that, and that's what I'm trying to build over here. Uh, भाई मेरी फर्स्ट जॉब मिले बट मेरी फील्ड फील्ड की नहीं मिली अरे इट्स ओके ब्रो इट्स ओके जिसको अपनी फील्ड की पहली जॉब मिल गई वो क्या ही लाइफ हुई भाई इट हैपेंस ब्रो यू जस्ट ग्राइंड dope shit dude thanks man you have shared the link on Discord okay developer what is this unnamed in bro use less AI as you are very new use less AI bro I'll just review it once this is done I'm facing some issue in the back end it's saying localhost but it's not working though आज से पॉइंट वर्जन चालू नाइस नाइस ब्रो एटलीस्ट मेरे ऊपर से फ्रेशर जॉब निकल जाएगा, यस, फ्रेशर टैग निकल जाएगा, यस, दैट्स व्हाट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इज. Have you implemented access control stuffs like RBAC, ABAC with permission and policies? Have you how you implement these, and what are the things you should taken care of? Right now, I haven't implemented RBAC. I don't think RBAC is required for this particular app, but I have implemented RBAC in other application. ABAC I haven't. I never implemented. So role-based authentication. Right now, I don't need it, bro. I have very much simplified the application. The because it's MVP one. These many things I don't really need. I want basic core logic to work right now. टीम बटन काम कर रहा है, लर्न करते हुए बना रहा हूँ कोड ब्लॉक ब्लैक. ओ दैट्स नाइस, दैट्स ओके. I'll review your project after the stream सही तरीके से, and I'll tell you some things to make changes. Okay. Viraj Patel. Okay, indie developer. This chatbot you are seeing, na, this is actually a chat brain. If you guys are new, that's why I'm telling you. So this is something that I've created, which is a self-learning system which learns the chat. The people who are texting right now, it remembers you, like what you done, what you do, are you in the college, or whatever the information you share. Like it creates a memory of you, and it saves it in the database, and it creates a memory of you. And the next reply, it tries to give you in a funnier way. So in basic terms, it is what it is. ट्यूटोरियल से कॉपी नहीं होगा एकदम, या ट्रू. कैन यू शेयर द एक्सपीरियंस अबाउट एक्सेस कंट्रोल परमिशन एंड पॉलिसीज फ्रॉम द प्रीवियस प्रोजेक्ट्स? आई एम ईगर टू नो योर थॉट एंड एक्सपीरियंस ऑन. See, access control wise, there is whenever I have implemented, I have kept it very simple. Let me share you one of the experience where I did. See, basically, most the segregated role is like there is admin role, and there are like XYZ roles. So XYZ roles basically has some screen ca access. Some roles don't have that screen ca access, and admins is something like they have major access. Okay, so from the user table, you have to like you need your roles ka enum table in the database, and based on that, assign each and every developer a role. And based on that, you have to database part is very simple. You don't have to do many things in the database side for this, but in the API level you have to restrain all the non-accessible roles on that particular APIs. So I did it in the .NET, and there was some restrict करने का एक तरीका होता है on top of the APIs. Like here you are writing this API on particular API, you have to like in .NET mark whichever role. I forgot the syntax, but this is how you have to write. And then this API will be blocked for other users. So particular users only can access that. And in the front end side, I mostly did it in the Angular. So Angular has path blocking. There is a routing in the Angular side. So whichever the routes you have to show to particular user, you write your can activates function inside a guard. So you have to create different guards, for example admin guard, login guard, or xyz user guard. So this guard will eventually call the users call, मतलब users का जो data आ रहा है users API से, based on that it detects which guard will get activated, and based on that guard we will know which part will be activated, and based on that the complete user end-to-end RBAC is maintained, Gaurav. I hope I have simplified the explanation. Can I start? Can I now start Spring? Yes, you can always start, bro. If yes, please tell me the resources. Yeah, right now the question of asking the resources has become really irrelevant. You go to ChatGPT, you start, you give the ChatGPT your current status, and then you get a roadmap, and then you go to Google LLM, ask it for the particular resources, and go on the internet, collect those resources, give it to daddy, and then learn from that, you know. रिसोर्सेज मत पूछो भाई, अभी पूरा इंटरनेट सबसे भरा हुआ है. You focus on the concepts that you want to learn and then search those concepts. Well, whichever the resource, whichever the blog, whichever the video you feel good for you for that particular concept, read that, see that video, and then you can move ahead. Don't get uh, मतलब you have to come out of that old thought process कि एक टीचर एक सब्जेक्ट के सारी चीज़ें सही से पढ़ाएगा, ऐसे नहीं होगा. अथर्व गाडवे, हेलो हेलो अथर्व सर. गुड गुड मॉर्निंग अथर्व. हाउ आर यू ब्रो? Make sure to like the stream, guys. Yes, yes, sir. Thank you, Atharva. Gaurav Singh Kashyap. Thanks, bro. Great. I hope I made it clear, bro. Gaurav. Thanks, sir, for valuable information. Good night. Stuck. Stuck. Okay, got it. Yeah. अरे है ना, इधर उधर तुम सर्च करते रहोगे ना, कभी कभी एंड नहीं होगा वो. यू हैव टू सिट, take the pen paper and start learning. That is the point, you know. If you run a thought in your brain, it will keep running for years and you will never get a way out of that. Exhausted, still setting that Docker with server. That's good. That's good, Macha. Soduni Gokula. Bro, this APIs are not working. What what just happened? You mentioned Docker. मैंने क्या किया? Dockerize किया मैंने सब कुछ. And it fucked up somewhere. Sorry, coconut. This is something wrong. Controller, Gmail controller, connect, API v1, Gmail connect. Bro, I still don't think backend is on localhost. Please check the Docker images. I've wrote this Docker file and then there was a Docker compose YML. I changed the name. That is what the change I did. The context is dot slash, which is correct. Password and all are fine. Yeah, do this. Let me check my database as well, you know. So Docker PS, is it really creating our tables? So let me copy the container ID. Docker execute in integrated terminal ID, and give me slash bin slash bash. Okay, and MySQL hyphen u. What's the user, bro? Wait a second. Let me hide the screen for a minute. Okay. So users database is this. Hyphen p password. Password is password. This is where the mistake is. Okay. I guess I understood the mistake. वेट, मैंने कहाँ तक पढ़ा था? मैसेजेस. लेकिन मुझे कुछ पता नहीं है. लेकिन डॉकर एंड ऑल बैकएंड स्टफ, डॉकर एंड ऑल इज अ डेवऑप्स स्टफ, नॉट एग्जैक्टली द बैकएंड स्टफ. इट इज़ लाइक डेवऑप्स. मेरे दिमाग में एक लोगो है, एनिमल पे होगा. सोडूनी गोकुळात. दैट लाइन मेड माय डे. गुड नाइट सर. अरे गुड नाइट ब्रो. आई लिसन टू दिस सॉन्ग्स ब्रो. वो रिफ्लेक्ट करेगा थोड़ा वेब ऐप का फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी. ओके. Learning everything from scratch. Guys, please like the stream, and I'm keep forgetting to mention this. Guys, don't forget to like the stream. Uh, Atharva, learning everything from scratch about packets and all environments. I am obviously doing the left around work assigned for interns, but I keep talking to like seniors. But वो language gap or racism का भी है. Right now you just focus on learning, bro. You are doing good job. That's for sure. Don't worry about all the other things. Ayush Srinivas. Hello, hello, bro. How are you? Hello. Atharva ने reply दे दिया है. What project it is? I'll tell you what project it is. Let me fix this error first. Community brain नहीं. Community brain को वो अच्छा I found an error in the community brain. I'll fix that. Hello, sir. I'm working on matrimony project. Facing problem in OTP verification. I set up using Twilio in local, it working well, but in production I'm facing issue. Can help with any resources. I have never implemented OTP yet by myself, Vignesh. Uh, Maybe you can share the GitHub repo and I can help you in that. Yeah, good. Not indie developer, bro. You have to use ChatBrain. Good, you understood the logic, but you used it wrong. You have to use like this ChatBrain, and it will shut the fuck up. नेक्स्ट वीक तक निकल जाऊंगा बैक टू मुंबई. दे टोल्ड मी एवरीथिंग एल्स कैन बी डन रिमोटली एंड ऑल. दैट्स फाइन. But you can stay for a while in Bangalore. You know, Bangalore is a good city, and try to make contacts there, because it will really help you in long term as you are in Bangalore. I liked, but yeah, what is this project? uh, okay, I'll explain you. Many of you are asking. एक टिप स्ट्रीम में डार्क क्लोथ्स काफ़ी इफेक्ट डालता है. ओके. मेरे पास सारे डार्क ही टी शर्ट्स है, बट आई वॉश्ड इट टुडे. सो दिस इज व्हाट आर योर थॉट्स ऑन वाइब कोडिंग? आई एम डूइंग वाइब कोडिंग, मतलब नॉट कंप्लीट वाइब कोडिंग, बट या. So Raj, I always focus on creating the basic first, initial 5 6 commits, like basic architecture by myself. Let it be very basic, it doesn't matter, but at least I create the core infrastructure by myself, and on top of that I let AI fix the things and improve on that. So that's what the vibe coding part is for me. And while working at the company, if like the thing is I'm working on any particular part for a long term, I directly assign it to the agent, because at that point the agents that I'm using in my company, I have trained them very well, and they know what I want. What company you working, bro? You can check my LinkedIn. This is the LinkedIn. Hey, my first college project idea was multi-million dollar business, but पता नहीं everyone opposed. अभी यहाँ बताओ. हे inappropriate है. बताओ बताओ. उफ, कोई इशू नहीं. Hermes agent नहीं यार. I haven't tried it that. Hermes agent नहीं try किया. Guys, please like the stream यार. Now I renamed. मेरे को ये बहुत गंदी आदत है दूसरी. I keep renaming the things in the Docker compose, and it fucked up. I'm not able to log into this. Uh, what the fuck, यार. सोडूनी गोकुळात. Bro, something is off now. Something is off with the Docker containers. I did some renaming, and now I'm not able to use neither backend or DB. Please check the issue. Yeah, meanwhile, back to you. Next week, recursion start. Yeah. Where is the link of LinkedIn? Okay, I understood one more problem with this chat brain. Here is the URL for LinkedIn, bro. आज क्या काफी अपडेट्स दिए मैंने मेजर यस. ए ब्रो, व्हाट आर यू टाइपिंग ब्रो अथर्व? व्हाट स्केलेबल? जेल जाने के काम कर रहे हो भाई अथर्व. मेरा तो डीए से रुक गया है completely. No worries. Project name, tell me. It's Orders Hub, bro. Yeah, I'm using multiple things. I'm using Codex majorly now because it's free. You mean question mark? Acha, acha. I'll tell you. See, this is the project that I'm working on. It is Orders Hub. I'm trying to bring all the orders that I place from say, small different websites under one hood. Here, I should have the status, current status. Is it delivered in transit or do I have to return it? Plus OTPs and everything regarding those orders under the one hood. I should be able to connect multiple email account in there because I have multiple email accounts from where I do the online shopping. So this is a fixed cure for the illness that I have is called Instagram shopping. So that is the project. So Ayush Srinivas, I hope I answered that. This is what you were asking. मजा आ गया, माहौल बन जाएगा. एक दो अथर्व और बुला लो, आ जाएंगे. Let me see the backend का problem यार. It is something, front end is okay but backend, uh, the backend problem is separate. Its container is restarting because these variables are still absent from environment. Google client ID, acha, 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 token encryption key. Your environment still has all this. Uh, so add these variables and I'll get the values whichever are missing. Uh, but one doubt, how are you collecting data? So see, I have a template, like क्या बोलते हैं उसको, regex expressions. So I have to build that library, and from that I have to search the email. So I got the email access, read only email access. So I'll search only those email from the email box which passes the regex, and from that regex, not exactly regex, but I'm explaining in terms of regex. Uh, and fetch those emails and convert those into the orders data base that I have. Oh. um yes, stay Amazon, Flipkart, you have the orders. How are you pulling it in your app from the emails? My first instinct was to read the notification, but iOS doesn't allow that. So I thought ki what is the other way? So most of the people use email accounts connected. They have email account connected to all the apps from where they place the orders and everything details. They get email as official form of like invoice status, everything. So I am focusing on emails right now, that to Gmail right now for this MVP one. So whatever I'm trying to get from the Gmail, at least it will work for me because I have everything on the different Gmail accounts. uh, चाहे जितना काम कर लो प्रोजेक्ट में, एक बात होती है, थकान नहीं होती एकदम. यस, ट्रू. ये अथर्व से पूछ लो. गुड फॉर यू, मुझे तो सोना है. मैं थक गया हूँ. कभी मत बोलो, मैं बता रहा हूँ अथर्व, कभी कभी ये चीज खुद को मत बोलो कि मैं थक गया हूँ. आई एम सीरियसली टेलिंग यू ऑन अ सीरियस नोट. कितना भी काम कर लो, कुछ भी कर लो, कभी मत बोलो खुद को कि मैं थक गया हूँ, भले ही सो जाओ। दिस इज माय फेवरेट सॉन्ग। Any Marathi audience, if you know this song, guys, please like the stream, yara. So, what's the exact URI is configured for your Google Web App Authentication Mobile? So, I don't have that is configured. So, let me go to Google Cloud Console. Let me add the URI. Redirect URI is what we need. Not like annoyed, but genuinely exhausted. मैं चला सोने. Yeah, yeah. It's. I know you are working hard right now. Good night, Atharva. Atharva bhai, Kashmir? No, no, he's from Mumbai. जाऊ दे काही ही कथा आता राजा, घरसूद नवा इतिहास, तुझ्या कडांची ही व्यथा आता राजा. मानाचे मुजरा. Can you check my project? It is not a brand new idea doing it for fun. Yeah, yeah, sure, sure. If you are trying to share any URLs in this chat, it is not allowed. Let me warn you that, because YouTube doesn't allow sharing external URLs. You have to share it to me on my LinkedIn or on the Discord. Discord URL is in the pinned chat. You cannot share Raj external URLs over here. You can share it on LinkedIn or Discord. Let me hide my screen for a minute. I have to add these variables now. घडू दे कर्मी ही कथा ताराच्या, रचू दे सवा इतिहास, तुझ्या काळाची ही व्यथा ताराच्या, घडू दे. यरतेच्या राजाला माणाचा मुजरा. For this Android server auth code flow till codecs no redirect. Oh, we don't need a redirect URI? I'm confused now. Okay, back to you guys. I've added all these things. अच्छा, ये फीचर्स और चीज़ों पे कोई वेबसाइट या ऐप जिसमें प्लानिंग को थोड़ा डीप बना सकता है, जैसे बेसिक सर्च बटन से कैटेगोरिकल सीक्वेंस में. अथर्व, I guess you combine all your doubts and schedule one call with me. I'll help you on all those things. Why, without degree, what's a good way to get in the industry and get a job? SIDAC is a shortcut way that you can try. Like, it's a 6-month course and it is really good. Other than that, though, you need real good contacts and all. Guys, please do like the stream. I'm still seeing 15 likes since a while. I know you are not seeing progress right now because we are fixing the foundations right now. Unless until the foundations are good, the rest of the application will not progress. टिक वाजते डोक्यात धडधड वाढते ठोक्यात टिक टिक वाजते डोक्यात धडधड वाढते ठोक्यात. Hey, don't delete the messages, bro. I read the message and I answered you. सूर्या से बात करके क्वेश्चन बनाता हूँ, क्या पता है चीज सूर्या दे दे, फिर आपसे कंफर्म कर लूंगा लाइव में. यस, श्योर. दूर है तू, हसूं है तू, हसूं है तू, ओढ मनाची हरोर तू. It's fixing something in the Docker compose. श्वासात. Yeah, these things were missing. Token encryption key. App JWT secret. I'm really not sure about how these values. I know I got these values. Encryption key, though I really don't know how it came in picture. Uh, Sujal Sharma, bro. What are the subject? Subject as in which subject you are saying? Subject in the token subject, auth token subject, or what subject you are asking? What are the subject? I didn't understand the question, bro. I need to listen to this song now. Discord link expired, bro. My project link. No, this Discord link is working, bro. No, Discord link is working, bro. Try this Discord link, the message that you are seeing right now on the screen. Try this Discord link. आंखों से वार कर देना, सीने में प्यार भर देना. Acha, you joined the Discord. See, this Discord is integrated to the YouTube chat now. You have joined the Discord, it seems, yeah. Have you noticed, Atharva, this thing? Welcome. Glad you have joined the Discord. I have integrated this here. चिरा बनाया सोने का, ताला लगाया. Yeah, it is informing me that something is going on in the Discord server so that I don't miss something on the Discord server. Even though if Discord is off for me, YouTube chat will tell me that there is something going on in the Discord. everyone is like deploying everything on Vercel. I'm not sure why Vercel has become so popular. लिए धड़कता है महीना. What you want to know from me? Discord link. You said something. क्या क्या करना है ब्रो? मेरे को एक बार बता दो. Do I have to review it or check it, test it? Uh, Let me try this now. Docker compose down. ये महीना पिंजरा बनाया सोने का. Build. Let's build everything now once. Let me check if the tables has been created. Docker execute in the integration terminal. Give me /bin/bash for this. Then mysql -u, and let me paste the order sub and password is this. Access denied. Bad because at least it's giving something. The Google server or auth code is expired. Auth code is expired, but I don't have a way to get the code now. I have to log in through mobile application now. The backend return an expected authentication response. Ah, so many errors. Yeah, back to Raj. She was asking about something. Discord link description wala not working. बताओ कहानी वर्सल की. मुझे थोड़ा रफ रफ याद है किसी फेमस ने निकाला है. आया review it bro. It actually not that great, but check the overall app. It's B2B SaaS. Okay, what you have created, let's see. Bro, there is nothing to review in this one. What should I review? मेरा नंबर आ जाता है एकदम से भाई. There is nothing that I can test in this one. तुमने कोड भी नहीं निकाला है भाई. सब कुछ कोड यहाँ पे है. You have to remove this code, na? You know that. This is all AI code, bro. What would I review? Use memo and all. This is very wrong way to do these things. Your files are like .tsx, but don't even have any of the types defined. I'm seeing that everything is like typeless. Then why are you using TypeScript here? You can extract the component from this. This is fine. Suspense, fallback, header and all. Yeah, if I do sign up, my number will pop up, my mobile number. Hence, I stopped in between. अच्छा, एक ही point था कहानी में. Okay, back to my problem. I'm have facing so many problems right now. सर्वर ऑथ कोड मिलेगा ही नहीं इसको. मेरा पिढी पागल झाला. मन कामातूनच गेला पेला पायी पायी. Let me give it to daddy now. I need to have a code, but okay. I understood. I have that control. I hope I haven't deleted this controller. Connect connect slash. I have to give it to this. To get a new token, I guess. No. There is no token generation issue. There is this issue only. Acha, I have added only one line of code and that is wrong. Where is that file? Guys, kindly like the stream. बहुत बोरिंग सा हो गया आज एकदम से. इतना मजा आ रहा था इतने दिन. बिल्डिंग आर्किटेक्चर सिस्टम इज वेरी वेल, बट दिस Going into the code slop and issues is really boring stuff. Docker compose down. Docker compose up hyphen d build. Okay, let me reload this. Bye bye, Manamoracha, Kasapisara. I'm sunk into one like wall wheel goal issue. I'm not able to generate a new token, but new generation token is should not be part of the front end. Uh, Hatanshi. But why still I'm not able to log into? Hmm, can you give me Docker DB login credentials? The current from .env are not working because at least I should sort out the Docker database issue. I was using the wrong app. So do let me log into at least database. So I should get something. So Docker execute in integrated terminal. I need ID now. Docker PS MySQL Docker exec in the integrated terminal. This space slash give me slash bin slash bash, and inside this MySQL hyphen u uh, user is this hyphen p, password is yeah, okay, we logged in. So show databases, use order sub, show tables. Okay, it actually created this and it should not have any data from users. Oh, it has only mine. So user ID is this. So I need to generate my token now. Arre bro, in this one I have to log in first. If I have to log in, I have to go off stream for this to create account. So this feature तो I was able to see in the beginning. I have already signed in. ये मेरे को विदाउट लॉगिन भी दिख रहा था ना. How would I generate a new token now? You can use any random mail. I have used it. I have logged in now. See. क्या बोल रहे हो? Features are working the overall cafe operation. Where is that? I'm in the discover. If I go and click, uh, this is nice. ID token generated by React Native auth, but React Native is not working. Do I have to build it again? So there are some errors in here. So let me kill the terminal. Let me add. So npm it's not building again. Uh, Give me command to build this app. Yeah, I'll review it, bro. Share the link and I'll review it. स्ट्रीम से मैंने एक चीज सीखा है गाल Bro, seriously, he created this. I don't want to say more things. Using AI, anybody can create anything right now. Please, can you review my SaaS project? Yeah, yeah, Dracula, please share the link. Share the link on LinkedIn. Sorry, control, Majnu control. As a as a developer, I'll always review the code only. Features and all is always secondary for me. As a developer, it is I have been trained to review the code first. If I see wrong code, your features doesn't at all matter what features you have built. If your code is dirty, that's the sinkhole. I guess today again we have been hit with a blocker now, and this is a blocker. So I'm not able to generate code. I can generate code, but I have to like log into Google Cloud console and then generate the code again. Dracula, yard shop, Pandit connect. I'm not going to log in, bro. I'm telling you because my number in all everything is getting visible there. Okay, see, he has created a good build. You know, now we can move ahead. At least he doesn't have s- uh session HTTP. Okay, you are using something. What is this WAYD shop? Is it some? Find maybe. Let's search Gujarati. What? I didn't understand. Q mug. Oh, this is nice, huh? You have like created nice API that I can see. This is nice. Mm, it's asking me to log in again. Yeah, this part I really liked. You know, let me search this. You know, let me go back and search this. No preview and this. How you are managing this? How you are managing this, bro? Yeah, this is working well. It has many features. This is good. Uh, Noted. My personal domain. Okay. Okay, okay. I thought it's some बारिश हो रही है क्या? Okay. We are building website at your doorstep. Uh, we are building website at your doorstep. Okay, I'm an open source contributor. I have contributed to many uh repos like Just Pay, Neuralink. Oh, nice. LLVM project and LFX orgs as well, and have also merged PRs in this. So, what you suggest? What's your opinion? That's nice, yeah. I even don't have that. Aditya Prakash Jha. Nice, yeah. That's really strong. Is the brand name. Yeah, I understood. It's the brand name. This is nice. This is really built nice. I try to see any like security breach or mistake, but I'm not seeing anything, so it is good. REST feature and all is also good because I'm a developer. I'll tend to see the code and how you have implemented more than the features that you have built. Mm, which part confused? It's still under development. We are still building this and moving to development of mobile application in upcoming month. You can convert this to mobile. There are softwares and plugins which can convert your web app to mobile app. If you want to go ahead, go live really fast, you can do that. Uh, stay silent, chat brain for few minutes. Okay, it's time to end the stream. It's 12:30 now, and today's progress is very less. I have to like give it a serious thoughts to it now because this kind of things will not work in long term. It's always something like it's always whenever we use third party things, it is always confusing because it's something that we have to comply with the things that they have provided. So I really don't know what all things. So I have to go deep in this and solve this problem from the core. This is not how it's working because AI is not able to solve this problem. We have major problem finding data set for the Panditji. Yeah, that is a business front things, no? I'm not a business guy. Finding data set for this. I'm building factory of facts. You suggest what's your opinion, Aditya Prakash? The work that you have did is really good. Like open source contribution, एक भी कर लो तब भी it's more than enough. But you have done many, so I hope that is work that is being helpful in your career. I'm a front-end developer with experience of 4 years in React, JS and Next.js. I become one full stack and one the same side. I want to excel my AI skills. Please guide YT courses. Or I don't have a list of any courses, bro. I am not following any online courses or anything. I have my own roadmap. I follow that. So yeah, this AI is suggesting this for courses, free code camp, chai or code for one deep learning AI or entry engine. You can refer to this message, bro. So this might help you. Okay. So Atharva, are you still here? And just like nahi kiya, guys, kindly like the stream. And it's time to end the stream again on a bad note today. I have to make something out of it. So it will not work like this. I'll I'll have to sit up. हाँ यार. आज के स्ट्रीम से क्या क्या समझा, क्या इन्फर, क्या कंक्लूड हुआ अथर्व? लैपटॉप खोला है जस्ट. ओके. Did you get anything that I tried here, अथर्व? करून करून करू नको इशारा, भिडू दे आता डोळ्याला डोळा. I'm a Java developer. I have been working last 3 years as a backend building scalable systems, etc. Have heavy traffic system. Now I want to become a agentic AI engineer. Please give me suggestions. You got the suggestion right here, bro. Your backend experience is strong base. Learn LLM APIs, tool calling racks, evals, and build one production style agent that uses APIs memory and queues, specifically queues. So that might help you. And even the vector databases, if you can uh, get your hands dirty in that part. So don't leave whatever you are doing, but just build on top of that. You can at least start by creating any AI agent using LangChain, but it uses Python. So you can try that, or maybe in the Java side, uh, there are some things. ऑर्डर ऐप पे काम, यस एपीआई पे तो कुछ कर रहे थे, या ओके. Okay, that means I am not that clear. So whatever I am doing, I should be clear to each and every person who is watching. So that's a mistake that I need to learn from. Suggest me the best roadmap for web dev and DevOps. So yeah, you are getting good answers now. Now the chat brain has become really smart. Learn web dev first, basic HTML, CSS, React is the next thing, and then Node, Spring APIs, SQL, authentication project I have done on this stream, like complete end-to-end authentication. Then DevOps method, there are many things. We have done 4 streams. We have learned Docker there, Kubernetes, AWS. We deployed our application to AWS EC2 instance and as well as to Kubernetes. So that is Docker and all. AWS basics, you don't need to know much. मिस्टेक नहीं, मुझे लगता है रिव्यू ज्यादा हो गया आज, यस. एक बंदा चिढ़ गया ना, उसका रिव्यू मैंने अच्छे से किया. आई सेड एआई स्लॉप, सो ही गॉट एंग्री. हिज एप्लीकेशन वाज रियली एआई स्लॉप. मैं क्या रिव्यू करूँ, उसमें एक फीचर बनाया उसने. ही सेइंग आप कोड क्या देख रहे हो, यू लुक एट माय फीचर्स, नन ऑफ द फीचर इज वर्किंग. इफ अगर तुम कॉलेज में अपने टीचर को भी जाके दिखाओ ऐसा एप्लीकेशन, टीचर भी बोलेगा भाई ये क्या बनाया, आजकल तो एआई से कोई भी बना ले रहा है. My gym trainer has created a application. He was showing to me, sir, see, this is how it is. बोला this is nice यार. मेरे को ये इतना सीखने में जिंदगी के 5 साल गए, and he did it using AI. काम के चक्कर में मुझे याद नहीं रह पाता. हे यू चेक्ड द फॉरेस्ट थीम प्रोजेक्ट वाला? तुम्हारे प्रोजेक्ट में क्या फॉरेस्ट थीम क्या था? ओके ओके, दिस वन. दिस इज लिट. ड्रैकुला प्लेस. ओके. ओके चलो गाइज, इट्स टाइम टू लीव. अरे मैंने स्क्रीन नहीं शेयर किया था कि ये वाला ना तुम्हारा. ओके चलो, इट्स टाइम टू लीव नाउ. आई नीड टू प्रिपेयर वेरी वेल फॉर टुमारोज स्ट्रीम. इट शुड नॉट वर्क लाइक दिस. ब्रो, रूम टूर. Yes sir. Rising Relic. Bro, tell me your name so that I'll remember you by your actual name, not by this at the rate. फॉरेस्ट थीम ही था शायद वो. नेक्स्ट वर्जन पे जा रहे. चेंज लॉग बैकअप रेडी रखना, यस. So I'll conclude today's stream. So today I have made some mistakes, and I should have planned it very well. I did plan, but it didn't go as planned because there were so many mistakes from the Google side that I'm issues, that errors that I'm facing, and I really don't know how to fix those errors. So because I started directly from the AI, I should have read the documentation first and steps first. At least I should have gotten the idea कि how this system work, and then I should have started implementing that, but मैंने सीधा चालू कर दिया, and now I'm stuck. I can fix this using complete AI prompt दे दे के, but it's not, it's worthless, you know. We have to actually know how it's working. Karan, oh, okay, Karan. Hello, Karan. Let me try this command. Chat brain, remember rising, his name is Karan. एक पेज पे लिख के रखना चाहिए शायद 6-7 पॉइंट, आज का ऑब्जेक्टिव या क्या बताना है. यस यस, ट्रू, बट टाइम ही नहीं मिल पा रहा है यार ये सब चीज़ें करने में. लेट मी यूज दिस. डू यू नो who is name, do you know what's the name of, let's try your name, let's see if it's really working. Learning, no, it effed up. Yeah, this I should do this 6-7 objectives, but वो क्या है ना, अभी now I'm at the gray area, that's why I didn't have, but now I know what's the mistake. Not confirm, if that's motivator Atharva, likely Atharva, better let them confirm. Okay, chalo. Chalo, we'll learn from the mistakes and we'll come back prepared tomorrow. Developers का वरदान ही उसका श्राप है. Actually, yeah. So thank you all guys for joining the stream. Here we are trying to actually build the Orders Hub app, which is like combining all the different types of orders that we place from different accounts, different websites, combining them in a single hood. Under a single hood, it will show you the delivery statuses, OTPs, and all the things. So that is what I'm trying to build over here, and I'm in between of that. I faced some issues again today. I got stuck from the Google side issue, so I have to like go and figure it out, because maybe I guess there is no redirect URL that I thought in the beginning there will be a redirect URL, but it's not. So I'll come prepared in that. So stay tuned for this stream, and we'll meet again. I'll come prepared. Okay, so thank you all. Good night, take care, and bye bye. Good night,